Hi. Monopoly. Monopoly is a situation where one firm has control of a particular market. It can be a supplier of product or service. Monopolies can cause the price of goods to be higher than they would be if many companies were supplying them as existed for millennia. The views were given right from the period of Aristotle. In 1848, the English political scientist John Stuart Mill published his Principles of Political Economy. It drew together much of the thinking about whether a lack of competition caused prices to rise. The general view was that some industries were likely to tend towards a lack of competition. This trend was created either through artificial means, that is, taxation by governments on imported goods, or through natural means, as a consequence of firms growing ever larger. Large firms had begun to dominate the market because late 19th century industry required ever increasing amounts of capital. The firms that could grow by capturing enough of the market to finance the necessary investment had the ability to use their market power to drive their smaller competitors out of business and to charge higher prices. Example, during the Industrial Revolution, coal, railways and water supply, they were concentrated in few hands. In mining, the ownership of the land was in a few hands. In case of railways and water supply, there was no alternative to limited number of firms offering services because the scale of manufacture required was so great that if there were many more than a few firms, no one would be able to cover their cost. Mill believed that these features of markets did not inevitably lead to monopoly. The most likely outcome was collusion between firms, allowing them to fix high prices. Such arrangements would lead to high costs for consumers in the same way as monopolies. Mill combined the disciplines of philosophy and economics and advocated that population limits and slowed economic growth would be beneficial to the government and increase public goods. And he also believed that monopoly effects can emerge in the labor market too. For example, goldsmiths. They earn much higher wages than workers of a similar skill because they were perceived to be trustworthy. So this created a significant barrier to entry so that those working with gold could demand a monopoly price for their services. Mill realized that the goldsmith situation was not an isolated case. He noted that large sections of the working classes were barred from entering skilled professions because they entailed many years of education and training. The cost of supporting someone through this process was out of reach for most families. So those who could afford it were able to enjoy wages far above what? What is a natural monopoly? It's a type of monopoly that exists due to the high startup cost or powerful economies of scale of conducting a business in a specific industry. Natural monopolies can arise in industries that require unique raw materials, technology, or similar factors to operate. A monopoly is a firm in the market that essentially runs the market. A natural monopoly describes a situation where there is a monopoly, that is, meeting the above criteria, but having this monopoly is actually the most efficient way to produce that product or service.